Welcome. In this video, we will learn about data types and data type conversions. Every value in Python has data type. Since everything is an object in Python programming, data types are actually classes and variables are instances of these classes. There are various data types in Python. Some of the most important types are list, number, tuple, string, set, dictionary. We'll discuss all these later on one by one separately. Now let's discuss about string and number and conversion. We can convert between different data types by using different type conversion function like int, float, string, etc. Let's do it by practically. Open the terminal, type command Python, open it in interactive mode. The shell is open now. Let's do it for number data types. Integers, floating point numbers, and complex numbers falls under Python numbers category. They are defined as int, float, and complex class in Python. I declare it as 5, then it will print the 5 value for a. I'll declare single quoted string. Here using b variable, declare hello string. It will print the string type value. Declare double quoted string. Using c variable, declare hi string. It will print the double quoted string as hi. These are simple data types. Other major data types which will be discussed later on one by one. Let's move conversion between data types. As I already said, we can convert between different data types by using different type conversion functions like int, float, string. Declare integer type with value 10. It will convert it to integer. Now same value when I'm converting, it will print the fractional part. Conversion from float to int will truncate the value, make it closer to 0. Now value will be float and print the integer value. You can see it only prints the int value from the start. You can do it for string and vice versa condition. That's it in this video on data types and type conversion. Thank you for watching this video.